We got Christmas coming a little bit early.
Oh, what you
And
get?
What we have in this box is the new guys, the Ethos Brewing Company.
Oh, get one Ethos.
What an awesome name. This is the unboxing of it. I wanted to do an unboxing because I've heard something about their packaging. I have never tried this before, and yep, this packaging. Sometimes it's those little details where they're just like, do stuff like this.
Oh, the details.
There's all kinds of cans in here too. Super comfy.
Merry Christmas,
Here's
brother.
Comfy and happy. Upside down. We got the Wayfarer.
Oh, you get the Wayfarer.
We've got the Cora.
You get one Cora.
This branding. Look at these man-sized
Oh, the
cans.
Boga Cherry, huh?
Beautiful. We got 3 different ones too. The Alturas
Oh, you
Golden.
get one Alturas.
Which one do you think I'm gonna do first?
Oh, brother, do the kind, do the happy one, you know what I mean?
What are we getting?
Oh, no worries, you careful about.
Let's. Oh man, I'm such a hop guy. I think I want to go. I'm only gonna do one. I'm gonna do the other 2 tomorrow.
Ah, come on. Tell us
So I
already.
said that one. I'm really leaning towards this, but let's go Wayfarer in
Oh, look like one Wahine. Walking down the beach.
a big old glass.
On bikini. Gee.
So the hops are gonna smell
Oh,
like.
perfect crack. On false
Nice.
crack.
It's like super fresh, like wet hop. Nice. You can definitely smell it. And the hops come from within 3 hours of the brewery in Idaho. So do the grains. So there is a lot of agriculture up there.
Oh, get some local
Good
strains.
color. Definitely got some color to it. And Haley, Idaho in the
Oh,
house.
the Boga is copper, huh?
Guys on the block. Yeah, it just feels real, just smells very, what is that?
Why you still
It's,
stay talking
hop
for?
in the
Try
direction
'em.
of kind of yeasty, hoppy. Oh, just like when you open a bag of hops in your home brew and you smell them, it's like that's what I'm getting.
Oh, there you go. Suck 'em up. Yeah, brother.
Oh, great. I like those grains a lot. I like it when you get like a breadiness, almost a doughiness from malts. That has that. You know, like when you get a good craft unfiltered Pilsner and you can really breathe out the malts and the grains of it. You get that. I love that dimension. You can tell they put hops in different sections of the boil. So you take your grains, you put hot water on them, and then you remove your grains, and then you start your boil. And the hops you put in the beginning, you can taste them. Those are like the bittering hops. The hops that you put in the middle are like for the mids, because the hops that you put in the end of, let's say it's a 60-minute boil or a 90-minute, those are the ones that I'm smelling. So the hops that are in the middle are the ones that are kind of in between this bittering hop and this aromatic hop, and they're all 3 stages are in this beer. And then you have this color, you have this barley that you're getting from it.
Oh, the Boga Ono or what?
It just like this guy was growing hops outside of his house, and he went and picked them, and then he brewed this beer. That's what the hops smell like. It's great.
One Idaho
There's
strain.
no off flavors in this. The body is wonderful. There's nothing lacking in this.
So no off flavor. The beer is good or what?
A little bit of oiliness from the hops, because that does kind of get in there. And
There's no oils in the kind.
medium plus body, like really well made
I
beer.
like one medium plus body, you know what I mean?
These guys are not messing around. You can tell they put a lot of expertise and intention into this, from their packaging to their shipping packaging to their product.
Yeah,
I'm
Ethos.
gonna say
Oh, you careful, my boo.
it might be filtered. There might be just a little bit of a haze to it.
Not bad for some Holly guys, huh? From Idaho.
It's so cool to see the person that moderates and created the Non Alcohoilc Beer Facebook page was like, started it a couple of years ago, I was like, I'm gonna run out of beers to try. And he's like, now it's like I don't think I can keep up. So it's because of companies like this. There's more and there's more coming out, and it's just such an awesome time of this market. Just it's in this stage of it, and we know it's going up here, and it's looking and it's tasting like this. Good job, Ethos. I like your ethos. It's absolutely fabulous. It's in the nines, no problem. And
Oh, Ethos, you get the nines. But kind of make me like sing about the beers. 'Cause I like to suck 'em up with no fear of alcoholic tendencies. That's why I drink.